Was there a failed auction in Bank Nifty yesterday? So let us split this. You can call it a failed auction technically. How I like to look at failed auctions is, let's say we make a swing high. All right, this is the swing high. Then we do something, then we make a very clear attempt to move towards that and we fail. Let's say this is yesterday's high. So what we do, we go here, we go above that and we fail. All right, that would be a failed auction. Now here what is happening is, it is very difficult to tell whether the market actually had some opposite activity. So obviously we opened in the lower part of yesterday's range, we moved out of yesterday's range in IB, and then this C, it looks like a natural pullback and continuation in D period. All right, it's not like we went lower and then there was a clear up move and then again we went back and we tested below that, or at least something like this, where the B is an inside bar and we also have some TPOs above and below in A period, which creates this little gap. Then it goes below that and then recovers. Then probably this might end up being a failed auction if we manage to take out IB high. But here you can see it's a poor low that is left behind in B and C period. So this is a natural continuation, and then the opposite activity comes in slowly. Instead of a failed auction, I believe this is more of an exhaustion of sellers and then a sharp inventory adjustment rally intraday rather than anything else. But this, if this happens, although it is happening inside yesterday's range, so again does not matter much. But if this was happening here below yesterday's low, then that would have been a nice failed auction.